Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the Airbag Module, Airbag Light on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, now consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. You have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, even if you're just checking fuses. And quick advice to any of you that are qualified and certified, guys, just a reminder, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. Even if you're just checking a fuse, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers, and you can cause the airbag to malfunction, which can cause injury or death as well. We'll have a video in the description of the video below. Check it out. That will explain which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. Again, this video is for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. If you need to buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the Airbag Light, the Airbag Module, guys, come to show you which fuses are on that GMC Terrain here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you a lot of money. Come and open the front right passenger door. When you do that, on the side of the center console here, you have a cover. You see that cover, pull it on the bottom. When you do that, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, specifically, there will be 3 fuses responsible for the airbag system, which includes airbag module, light, seat occupancy sensor. There is limited information about that, but which fuses are that? Let's talk about now. First one is fuse number 22, right here. Okay. Then that's fuse 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That fuse 35. And that's 36, 37, 38. Right here. Okay, these 3 fuses are the ones that we usually check, but again, you have to be qualified and certified to work on that system. You don't have any relays. The relay function is controlled by the Airbag Module. You just have these fuses, guys. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.